A janitor died with $8 million. No business, no degree, no luck. Meanwhile, people with high salaries are still broke. So what's going on? It's not your income. It's not your intelligence. It's something way more dangerous, your behavior with money. Hey, I'm Max. And if you've ever felt like no matter how much you earn, it's never enough, this might hit harder than you expect. Because the truth is, the problem might be you. There was a man named Ronald Reed. He worked as a janitor and a gas station attendant his entire life. Nothing fancy, no big salary, no spotlight. But when he died, he had over $8 million. Now here's the crazy part. At the same time, a highly educated investor named Richard Fusconi went completely broke. Same world, different results. So what separates them? Not intelligence, not an opportunity, psychology. And this is where it starts to get uncomfortable. You buy things to look successful, better phone, better clothes, better lifestyle. But here's the truth. Rich people don't focus on looking rich. They focus on being rich. You're spending money to impress people who don't even care. And slowly, without realizing it, you're trapping yourself. Now it gets worse. You get a raise. And suddenly everything upgrades. Better house, better car, more expenses. Your income goes up, but your freedom stays the same. Or even worse, it decreases. You think you're growing. But in reality, you're just increasing your liabilities. And this is where most people lose the game completely. By the way, if this is already making you rethink your habits, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Because this isn't about motivation. This is about changing how you think. Because what's coming next, almost no one escapes. Now here's another trap. You believe that once you learn more, you'll earn more. That knowledge equals money. But look around. Some of the smartest people are financially struggling. And some of the simplest thinkers are building real wealth quietly. Because money isn't about IQ. It's about behavior. It's about consistency. It's about what you do again and again when no one is watching. Let me say that again. It's not what you know. It's what you repeatedly do. Now here comes the part that most people don't want to admit. You're scared. Scared to invest. Scared to take risks. Scared to lose money. So you stay safe. You keep your money sitting. You avoid decisions. You wait for the perfect time. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Playing safe is the riskiest move. Because while you're waiting, inflation is quietly eating your money every single day. You think you're protecting it, but you're actually losing it slowly. And finally, the trap that decides everything. You want quick results, quick money, quick success, quick returns. You want things to change fast. But wealth doesn't work like that. That janitor didn't get rich overnight. He got rich by doing simple, boring things consistently for decades. No hype, no shortcuts, no noise, just patience. Wealth is built in silence, but destroyed in seconds. So let's be honest. You're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because you're trying to look rich, because you're upgrading your lifestyle too fast, because you think knowledge alone will save you, because you're scared to take risks, and because you want results too quickly. Fix these, and everything changes. Ignore them, and nothing changes. If this made you rethink even one habit, that's your starting point. But don't just watch this and move on. Apply it, because most people will watch this, feel motivated for a few minutes, and then go back to the same patterns. Don't be like most people. Hit like and subscribe if this opens your eyes and if you actually want to change your financial future. Because the difference between people who stay stuck and people who build wealth isn't luck, it's what they do after they learn the truth. This is Max, signing out.